We sit now in SM and waiting Georgi. Georgi on the way. He play billiard until 5:30 and now he go to meet with us. Later we will go to Oaken Street together. I see already Georgi. I think it's Dreadshire because he have so many in pocket, have so many things. Hi Georgi. But why you so many things inside? Maybe umbrella. Bottle water. Another water also. Okay. Good play today. Where you play in Mikos? But today Monday, usually in Sunday.
No, Monday, Wednesday,
Monday, Wednesday?
Friday, Sunday.
Okay. Oh, good dog.
Palibutan na.
Funny.